My name is Nkenge. I tell stories using fashion as my instrument, paintbrush, and canvas. So being born and raised in New York City by my mother, who was a self-taught fashion tailor and designer, by the way, I was always encouraged to be self-sufficient and to challenge my creativity.
The majority of my followers are women, so I have like about 80% women, and I want to be able to help other women and to help empower other women to be able to create on their own.
If you lead, I go follow, follow. Baby, baby, if I me, waiting you give me, I never seen before. Even if
Wolves being founded in 1877. A club with that much history and traditions gives you so many different options of colors and styles.
This jersey? Well, I absolutely love the color, so I really love how comfortable it is, and also just it's effortless. I feel like you can wear it anywhere. Like I said, practical. So it's just you can wear it whether you're in the house or you can wear it out. I'm sure you can even probably dress this up if you really want to.
Where are you, baby? Tell me, where are you, baby?
I do like to dabble in different bold colors, and I wanted to expand my style more to sporty streetwear. I know the trends nowadays, I know they're bringing a lot of vintage pieces back, and everything is just becoming more 90s inspired and stuff, and I'm really liking that. That's just more me.
I know you want me.
I'm all about using my creativity to educate the inner creative in women everywhere. I want to empower them to follow their dreams and achieve their biggest goals, the same way my mother inspired me.